Good morning. So I'm going to start with my smoothie bowls. I made some banana strawberry peanut butter smoothies. So I'm just going to go and check them on here. So, here they are. And I like to use all the squares. This is one batch and that I made yesterday, the peanut butter strawberry banana. So I'm just gonna use that for a smoothie bowl. And here we go. Actually, I think I'm going to use something more like, maybe this, because then you can see it really well. This glass bowl here. And then I'm going to, take my little stand so I could use both hands, because doing this one-handed is a little bit of a challenge. There's my stand. Okay, here we go. So here we go. I have my smoothie cubes here. I'm just gonna push this back a little. There we go. All right, so I have my smoothie cubes here. And I'm just gonna pop these out. Actually, this is the wrong one. I'm still waking up. This peanut butter and strawberry. Oh wow, they're really frozen in there. Okay. Oh, fingers are frozen. One, two, and three. Okay. Now I'm just gonna microwave these just a little bit into this microwave for a few seconds, so that way I can smooth it up easier. So just for, I don't know, lucky number 13. There we go. While that's doing that, I'm gonna go gather the things I need for this, which would be my chia seeds, and then I'm gonna add some granola, chia seeds, granola, maybe I'll do a little chocolate here. I have this chocolate from Trader Joe's, and then yeah, I think that would be great. I also have these like little dried cherries. These are probiotic dried cherries. So I'm just gonna try that, something a little different. It's always fun to like spice things up and try something new, you know? All right, so let me go grab. This microwave is like yelling at me, or hurry it up. Okay, so here we go. And I just do this so that it's easier to mush together. Okay, I'm gonna get a grater. Let's see, my grater's here. Nope. You know, sometimes I forget where I place things. So I think it's in, here it is. So I have this, so that I can grate the chocolate onto the smoothie bowl. This is all kind of very spontaneous, right? It's fun that way. All right, so I have this, and I'm just gonna mush it down. This needs to go in for a little longer. Or I could just yeah, I didn't put it in long enough, so 13 seconds isn't enough for this microwave. You know, every microwave is different, so I'm gonna try 9 seconds. I'll try 9 seconds there. And see, I have my grater. I'm gonna prep and get my chocolate ready. I have these great chocolate cubes from Trader Joe's. So I just have one of these cubes here. Got that ready to go. In here. Right. So I'm trying to be quiet this morning so I don't wake up my daughter or my husband. Especially easier to break up. What a great workout. So let me try it with this hand. As you can see, I'm right-handed, so I'm trying to switch with my left hand more so that both get a workout. Because it's really fun to incorporate stretching and a little bit of exercise as we cook. Okay. Alright. Alright, so there we go. Okay, so I just have these at the bottom. Of the smoothie bowl. Okay, looks like that. Now I'm just gonna add, you know, things that I enjoy. So I have here some granola, vanilla granola. Sprinkle that on there. And then some chia. And then I'm going to try my probiotic cherries. These are dried cherries. And I'm going to top it off with some Trader Joe's. I have this Trader Joe's, well, it's got a ton of front here. For my daughter here, but it's Trader Joe's dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. Super healthy, lots of antioxidants. And it's also superfood, dark chocolate is, especially without the sugar. This has sugar. But it's not a lot of sugar. If you want to go uber healthy, you get the dark chocolate without the sugar. It's really a superfood. There we did. We have the smoothie bowl. Now to try it. Oh, and I forgot my banana. Right, the banana. Silly me. I'm gonna grab this banana here. I have a banana, really ripe. So I'm not having to clean another dish. I use banana peels on a little cutting board, natural. And just adding the banana on here. Oh, this is really ripe. So I'll just do a little. And voila! A delicious, nutritious smoothie bowl. So a smoothie bowl a day keeps the doctor away. Enjoy. Oh, I'm gonna try it. I forgot to try it. Let's see. So this is the strawberry banana peanut butter smoothie we made yesterday. That is yummy. What a wonderful way to start the day. Enjoy.